Hello friends, welcome to my channel DeviL and I am Hriday back with another session. And today I am gonna show you the quick unboxing and features overview looks of Moto E4 Plus. I ordered this one some few days ago and got this one today and want to show you the quick looks of this phone. You can see this. I ordered this one of my friends, and the looks, you can see the Moto E4 Plus branding. Moto is known for its branding and the looks. So overall this one is a good one. 3GB RAM and iron grey, 30GB inbuilt, made in China. So sorry for this one in India. Here is the phone. What you'll actually get in the phone: 5.5-inch HD display, not full HD. According to the price, this one have to be Moto gift you full HD display, but you want fingerprint scanner and 5000 mAh battery. This one is the USP of this phone, and 13 megapixel back camera with flash and 5 megapixel front camera with flash. So USP of this phone is a 5.5-inch display, fingerprint sensor and battery, and the front and back camera selfie flash. So the processor is not up to the mark. The Moto C Plus also has the same processor and the same looks. You can see this one. So what will actually get in the box? The phone weight is very good. You can see this one, full metal body. And what will actually get in the box? A headphone, a data cable come charger, and this one is the charger. This one is a 2 mAh charger also. So some manual guide and warranty card. So this is about this section. I will side this one and move to the phone. What you will actually get? I boot up this phone. Okay, here you get in the physical overview, you will get the right side power button and volume button. In the front you can get the front camera with flash and proximity sensor. This one is no which one, and fingerprint scanner, charging port, secondary noise cancellation microphone, speaker and secondary noise cancellation. This one also. This is the 3.5 jack for headphone. And the looks of this phone good, but not up to the mark. The looks of the phone is very nice and metal finish. So I will very much enthusiastic regarding this one. According to the camera of this phone, I will pick up this phone. Successfully I boot up this phone, and the view of this phone, you can see this. The looks of this phone is too good, and the side view is also good. You can see this one from this angle and so on. Here is the looks and how it looks. There is something. Okay, here is the settings. I will move to the settings. Actually, how much storage you have to. You can expand this memory card up to 128GB. This one is a SD card slot and 2 dual SIM one. Use 7.54GB out of 30GB. You will get approx 24.4GB and so on. And about the phone, Android version, you can see this Nougat 7.1. So according to this one, so this one is a good overview, and system update is already open. Okay, I move to the camera. The camera apps, you can see this one next. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, you can see this. The camera interface is as simple as Moto of previous earlier predecessor. So you can see this. The shutter speed I will show you. Fast, not as fast. So I will show you, and I will take some samples, show you the how it looks, and show you this one. You can see this one. The fast animation for the camera is good. Color reproduction is also good. And the front camera, I will show you the front camera samples. You can see this one. 5 megapixel camera with flash. This one is also flash. You can see this one. you can use this. So camera, front camera is also so not up to the mark. I will put the depth review regarding this one. If you want to buy this product, I will put the product buying links in the description section. You can use these links to buy this product and help me. If you like this video, please like the video. If you did not subscribe my channel yet now, please subscribe it and help me to do more social causes regarding animals and human purposes. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, bye bye, catch you soon in my next session.